I'm just going to tell you a few things that women find attractive in men.
No one asks you. We don't care. Anyway, let's talk about microcontroller setup for auto hand sanitizer dispenser. In our last class, we learned about the working principle of auto hand sanitizer dispenser. Now let's talk about how we actually get started building one on our own. And it all begins with setting up the microcontroller. A microcontroller is the brain of our device. It runs the code that controls the ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor, and the LED. In this project, we're going to write our code in Rust, which is a modern and safe programming language that's increasingly used in embedded systems. Here's how we get the microcontroller ready. Step 1. Choose the right board. We use a Rust-compatible board called the ESP32C3. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and works great with Rust. Step 2. Set up your programming environment. To program the microcontroller in Rust, you need to 1. Install Rust on your computer. 2. Add support for the ESP32C3 board. 3. Install a few extra tools like ESP Flash to send code to the board. Step 3. Start a new Rust project. We use the starter template designed for embedded Rust projects. This gives us a ready-to-use structure to write our code for the dispenser. Step 4. Test the setup with the simple LED blink. Before adding sensors and motors, we'll test everything by blinking an LED connected to the board. This helps confirm the board is working and that we can upload code successfully. Step 5. Flash the code to the microcontroller. Once we write a code, we use a tool called ESP Flash to send it from the computer to the microcontroller using the ESP cable. After the board is set up and working, we'll move on to connecting the actual components like the ultrasonic sensor and servo motor and writing Rust code to bring the whole dispenser to life. So to recap, setting up the microcontroller is all about picking the right boards, preparing your Rust environment, starting a new project, testing with an LED, and flashing your code to the board. In the next part of the lecture, we'll dive into how to connect and control the ultrasonic sensor for detecting the hand. Follow along, we're just getting started building real-world embedded systems.